Hello viewers, we'll be going over silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in slightly negative MACD, and as of now, we're still below the 200 moving average, this green line, at the price of $24.19, acting as our resistance. As for the 4 hour chart, we remain in slightly negative MACD, and we're seeing signs of a converge there. As we extend out once more onto the daily chart, we still remain in negative MACD, and we did bounce right off the 150 moving average, this red line, which continues to act as our support at the price of $22.73. And as for resistance, we do need to break above the 100 moving average, this orange line, which acted as support in the past, and since we're below support, then now act as our resistance at the price of $25.23. If we were to head up higher to test that resistance, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 4.7%, and to test support, that is around 5.5% to test to the downside. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading SLV, and for my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry is at $21.09, and that is this range here, and that coincides with the 150-day moving average, this red line. My sell target is at $22.84, and my stop loss is at $20.54. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $23.43, and that is this range here, that coincide with the 100-day moving average, this orange line. My sell target's at $21.68, and my stop loss is at $24.04. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 33% chance for it to climb between 0 to 5.2%. And for the extreme case to the upside, a 20% chance to climb between 5.2% to 10.5%. As for the downside, we have a 40% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5.2%, and for the extreme case to the downside, a 10% chance to fall between negative 5.2% to negative 10.5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.